Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
The Olympic Games are held after every 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Correct option है B, 4 years. Kindergarten refers to a small garden, a nursery school, a children playground, a children ward in hospital. Correct option है B, a nursery school. किंडरगार्टन जर्मन लैंग्वेज का वर्ड है. किंडर का मतलब है चिल्ड्रन और गार्टन का मतलब है गार्डन. हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क फेसबुक? बिल गेट्स, स्टीव जॉब्स, स्टीव वोजनाइक, मार्क जकरबर्ग. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, मार्क जकरबर्ग इज द फाउंडर ऑफ फेसबुक. What is meant by petticoat government? A government in exile, a government run by a woman, a government without actual powers, a government run by some feudal lords. Correct option है B, a government run by a woman. ATM stands for American Trademark Automated Teller Machine, Auto Telling Machine, none of these. Correct option है B, automated teller machine. The second largest religion of the world is Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Hinduism. Correct option है A, Islam is the second largest religion of the world. पहले नंबर पर Christianity है. Nelson Mandela was the president of Zimbabwe, Zaire, South Africa, Nigeria. Correct option है C, South Africa. CNG is an abbreviation of converted natural gas, conducted natural gas, compressed natural gas, constructed natural gas. Correct option है C, compressed natural gas. Sri Lanka was formerly known as Seychelles, Serendip, Taipei, Ceylon. People of which country are known as Kiwis? Australia, England, New Zealand, South Africa. Correct option है C, New Zealand. Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan. Correct option है A, Azerbaijan. Mossad is the secret intelligence agency of Russia, Israel, Iran, Canada. Correct option है B, Israel. Which among the following cricketer is referred as the Don? Wasim Akram, Gary Sobers, Donald Bradman, Vivian Richards. Correct option है C, Donald Bradman is the Don. Scotland Yard is a police department of United Kingdom, USA, Scotland, New Zealand. Correct option है A, United Kingdom. Scotland Yard is the police department of UK. Dolly was the name of first cloned sheep, first test tube baby, oldest human fossil, first dog in space. Correct option है A, first cloned sheep. Which theory of justice is based on the principle kill the sin, not the sinner? Retributive theory, reformative theory, deterrent theory, none of these. Correct option है B, reformative theory. Onyx is a kind of marble, apple, drink, bird. Correct option है A, marble. The chemical name of common salt is sulfuric acid, sodium chloride, nitrogen, phosphorus. Correct option है B, sodium chloride. Ozone layer protects life on Earth from ultraviolet rays, greenhouse gases, CFCs, carbon dioxide. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज। Sunlight falling on our skin causes to produce vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Correct option है D, vitamin D. Capital punishment means death sentence, confiscation of property, life imprisonment, huge fine. Correct option है A, death penalty. Hematology is the study of sound, space, blood, insects. Correct option है C, blood. Which of the following is not a primary color? Red, green, blue, orange. Correct option है D, orange is not a primary color. Red, green and blue are primary colors. Which component of the diet prevents constipation? Minerals, fiber, protein, vitamins. Correct option है B, fiber. Which of the following sports is associated with Davis Cup? Football, chess, tennis, boxing. Correct option है C, tennis. Synagogue is the place of worship of which religion? Confucianism, Judaism, Buddhism, none of these. Correct option है जुडाइज्म, यहूदियों की वर्शिप प्लेस है साइनागोग। वेयर वॉज अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन बॉर्न? यूके, यूएसए, जर्मनी, अल्बानिया। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, जर्मनी। अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन जर्मनी में पैदा हुआ जबकि यूएसए में फौत हुआ। द आईफल टावर इज लोकेटेड इन जर्मनी, फ्रांस, इटली, ऑस्ट्रेलिया। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, फ्रांस। आईफल टावर फ्रांस के शहर पेरिस में है। नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट वाज द किंग ऑफ फ्रांस, इटली, इंग्लैंड, नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है फ्रांस। बाईमैन इज द नेम ऑफ एयरलाइन ऑफ इंडोनेशिया, सऊदी अरेबिया, फ्रांस, बांग्लादेश। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, बांग्लादेश। Who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, I.A. Bunin. Correct option है B, R.N. Tagore. The highest capital in the world is Belize, La Paz, Quito, none of these. Correct option है B, La Paz. और ये कैपिटल है बोलिविया का। रिक्सटैग इज द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ ईरान, इराक, स्वीडन, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, स्वीडन। फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएसए, थॉमस जेफरसन, जॉन हैमिल्टन, जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन, नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, George Washington was the first president of USA. Niagara Falls are situated in France, Italy, Sweden, USA and Canada. Correct option है D, USA and Canada. Nobel Prize is awarded in America, Norway, Sweden, both B and C, यानी नॉर्वे और स्वीडन। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन D है बी, बोथ बी एंड सी, यानी नॉर्वे और स्वीडन में नोबेल प्राइज दिया जाता है। नोबेल पीस प्राइज नॉर्वे के शहर ओस्लो में दिया जाता है, जबकि बाकी फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री वगैरह स्वीडन के शहर स्टॉकहोम में दिए जाते हैं। विच इज द डीपेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड? आर्कटिक, अटलांटिक, पैसिफिक, इंडियन। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, पैसिफिक ओशन। Which country's flag is known as Union Jack? France, Romania, UK, Poland. Correct option है C, UK. Birr is the currency of Ethiopia, Bosnia, Zambia, Nigeria. Correct option है A, Ethiopia. What does word geo mean? Plant, environment, earth, animal. Correct option है C, Earth. What is meant by the term fourth estate? Birds protection, press, environmental pollution, law. Correct option है B. Press and journalism is called the fourth estate. Waterloo is located in Belgium, France, Germany, Italy. Correct option है A. Belgium. वाटरलू एक सिटी है जो बेल्जियम में है. Xenophobia is a fear of birds, darkness, strangers, none of these. Correct option है C. Strangers. Pisa Tower is located in Italy, Germany, France, Paris. Correct option है A. Italy. United Nations came into existence 1941, 42, 43, 45. Correct option है D. 1945. Headquarters of ILO, International Labour Organization, is located in Geneva, Vienna, Paris, Rome. Correct option है A. Geneva. Land of maple leaf is New York, Canada, Malta, Berlin. Correct option है B. Canada. Land of rising sun is Japan, Norway, Ireland, Thailand. Correct option है A. Japan. Durand Line is a boundary line between Germany and USA, USA and Russia, US and France, पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी. पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान के दरमियान बाउंड्री लाइन है. द अर्थ मूव्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, साउथ टू नॉर्थ. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. सेस्मोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ ब्लड, प्लैनेट्स, earthquakes, deserts. Correct option है C. Earthquakes. Velocity of sound is maximum in air, water, steel, vacuum. Correct option है C. Steel. Rigid bodies में velocity of sound maximum होती है. The famous oil painting Mona Lisa is the creation of Leonardo da Vinci, Pablo Picasso, Florence Nightingale. None of these. Correct option है A. Leonardo da Vinci. 49th parallel is a boundary line between North and South Korea, China and Mongolia, Germany and Poland, USA and Canada. Correct option है D. USA and Canada. Which continent has no desert? Asia, Europe, Australia, नॉर्थ अमेरिका. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. यूरोप में कोई बड़ा सहरा नहीं है. द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ WTO वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज इन जिनीवा, न्यूयॉर्क, लंदन, पेरिस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. जिनीवा. स्विट्जरलैंड के शहर जिनीवा में WTO का हेडक्वार्टर है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गेम इज आल्सो कॉल्ड पिंग पोंग? बॉक्सिंग, टेबल टेनिस, बैडमिंटन, वाटर पोलो. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. टेबल टेनिस. यूनाइटेड नेशंस सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल comprises of how many members? 20, 25, 18, 15. Correct option है D. 15. On the banks of which river is the city of London located? Severn, Thames, Avon, Humber. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. रिवर टेम्स के किनारे लंदन है. विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड? नाइल, अमेज़न, वोल्गा, मिसिसिपी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. दरियाए नील दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा दरिया है. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय एन रूट? वन वे, ऑन द वे, वेलकम, नन ऑफ दीज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. ऑन द वे. Michelangelo was a famous artist, politician, singer, none of them. Correct option है A, artist. Who said these words? Man without society is either beast or God. Plato, Aristotle, Hegel, Gandhi. Correct option है B, Aristotle. Who said a thing of beauty is joy forever? John Keats, P.B. Shelley, Lord Byron, John Milton. Correct option है A, John Keats. Who said man is a social animal? Aristotle, Plato, Hegel, Gandhi. Correct option है A, Aristotle. Sui generis is Latin term for unique, generous, sui gas, common. Correct option है A, unique. IQ is an abbreviation of intelligent query, intelligent questions, intelligent quotient, intelligent quarantine. Correct option है C, intelligent quotient. The largest among the following is the Earth, the Sun, a solar system, a galaxy. Correct option है D, a galaxy. Name the capital of Byzantine Empire. Damashq, Rome, Constantinople, Ankara. Correct option है C, Constantinople. Steve Jobs earned fame during his association with Microsoft, Intel, Dell, Apple. Correct option है D, Apple. SIM stands for Single Inline Module, Single Inline Memory, Subscriber Identity Module, none of these. Correct option है C, Subscriber Identity Module. What is meant by dengue? Breakbone fever, disease of lungs, brain disorder, none of these. Correct option है A, breakbone fever. Adam Smith was a scientist, a geologist, an economist, a dentist. Correct option है C, an economist. What comes to mind with the name of Neil Armstrong? Water, America, Moon, Sun. Correct option है C, Moon. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने सबसे पहले चांद पर कदम रखा. वॉल स्ट्रीट इज फेमस फॉर बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, स्पोर्ट्स, ज्वेलरी, नन ऑफ दीज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. Mont Blanc is disputed between the countries Russia and Greek, Croatia and Czech, France and Italy, none of these. Correct option has C, France and Italy. What is the national bird of China? Cebu, red-crowned crane, rufous-bellied thrush, golden wattle. Correct option है B, red-crowned crane. NATO stands for National Trust Order, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, National Trust Ordinance, none of these. Correct option है B, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Aristotle was the dash of Plato. Student, son, son-in-law, teacher. Correct option है A, Aristotle was the student of Plato. Spain literally means land of people, land of lions, land of lords, land of rabbits. Correct option है D, land of rabbits. Mein Kampf is the autobiography of Winston Churchill, Adolf Hitler, Henry Kissinger, Homer. Correct option है B, Adolf Hitler. Golden Temple, Amritsar is a holy place of Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, Jains. Correct option है C, Sikh. The Scout movement was started by Sir Robert Baden-Powell, Thomas Hardy, William Rogers, Sir Winston Churchill. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए सर रॉबर्ट बेडन पावल। कमाल अतातुर्क abolished the Ottoman Caliphate 1919, 1924, 1925, 1929। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी 1924 में कमाल अतातुर्क ने खिलाफत का खात्मा कर दिया। Alexander the Great invaded India in 527 BC, 424 BC, 326 BC, 261 BC। Correct option है C 326 BC। Think and Grow Rich was written by Dale Carnegie, Stephen Covey, Anthony Robbins, Napoleon Hill। Correct option है D Napoleon Hill। Which of the following is a human rights organization? Amnesty International, the Arab League, Organization of African Unity, Gulf Cooperation Council। Correct option है A Amnesty International। Hyde Park, London is famous for being residence of England Foreign Minister, beautiful red roses, freedom of speech, unique design। Correct option है C freedom of speech। The highest title in judo is 10th dan, red belt, 12th dan, yellow belt। Correct option है A 10th dan is the highest title in judo। The first satellite was launched by Japan, United States, USSR, France। Correct option है C USSR। The largest island in the world is Tasmania, Greenland, Cyprus, Iceland। Correct option है B Greenland। The book Conquest of Happiness was written by Thomas Hardy, Bertrand Russell, Huxley, Charles Dickens। Correct option है B Bertrand Russell। The largest desert of the world is Kalahari, Gibson, Mojave, Sahara। Correct option है D Sahara। Rio de Janeiro is the seaport of United States, Brazil, England, China। Correct option है B Brazil। The oldest written language is Sumerian, Chinese, Japanese, English। Correct option है A Sumerian language is the oldest written language। What does Latin word aqua mean? Water, acid, blood, alkali। Correct option है A water। The French Revolution began in the year 1770, 1788, 1789, 1799। Correct option है C 1789। Who is called the father of comedy? Aristotle, Aristophanes, Ptolemy, none of these। Correct option है B Aristophanes। Modus operandi means first impression, meeting, addition, plan affection। Correct option है D plan affection।